हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ क्लासिकल मैकेनिक्स का इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक हैमिल्टन वेरिएशनल प्रिंसिपल। लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। अकॉर्डिंग टू हैमिल्टन वेरिएशन प्रिंसिपल, द मोशन ऑफ द system from time t1 to t2 is such that the line integral is 0. As you can see that integral of t1 to t2 L into dt is equal to 0, where del is the variational symbol and L is the Lagrangian. Its value is difference between the kinetic energy and potential energy. L is equal to T minus V. Now we deduct the Hamilton principle from the D'Alembert principle. Firstly, you have to know that what is the D'Alembert principle. D'Alembert principle says that sum of the difference between the force and momentum time derivative is 0. This is D'Alembert principle. Now we deduce Hamilton principle from this D'Alembert principle. Consider a holonomic system move from point P to Q, where P and Q are initial and final configuration at time t1 and t2 respectively. हम एक holonomic system consider करेंगे. Holonomic system means which depend on the generalized coordinate, that is time, velocity coordinate, etc. This holonomic system move from point P to Q. P is where initial configuration at time t1 and Q is final configuration at time t2. For deduce Hamilton principle, there are two conditions to be fulfilled. First is delta t must be 0 at the end point and delta r must be 0 at the end point. It means at the end point, change in the delta and change in the position coordinate must be 0. Now the force acting on the ith particle of the system is given as Fi is equal to the Pi dot is equal to Mi Ri double dot, where Fi is equal to the force acting on the system and Pi is equal to the time derivative of momentum, that is equal to dp by dt. Now we know that F is equal to Ma and A is equal to d square r by dt square. Therefore, F is equal to m r double dot. From D'Alembert principle, summation f of I minus p of I bracket delta ri is equal to 0. Put the value of pi is equal to mi ri double dot here. This is equation number 1. Now we consider a term d by dt ri dot del ri. When we derivative it becomes ri dot d by dt delta ri plus delta ri d by dt of ri dot, and this becomes double r dot. Now take this term separate and move this. We get after separating the ri double dot term, we get this d by dt ri dot delta ri minus ri dot d by dt of delta ri. Now we multiply both sides by mi and we have mi ri double dot delta ri is equal to mi d by dt ri dot delta ri minus mi ri d by dt delta ri. Now we put this value in equation 1. After substitute value, we get delta fi summation fi delta ri minus summation I mi d by dt Ri delta Ri minus mi Ri d by dt of delta Ri is equal to 0. Now this term moves right hand side and we get this. Here delta and d operator commute with each other, that's why d by dt delta Ri is equal to delta into dri by dt. Therefore the above term delta fi Ri becomes summation I d by dt mi vi delta Ri, and we taken this derivative outside and minus mi vi delta vi. Ri is equal to vi, Ri dot is equal to vi. Here put the value, we get this. Now d by dt of mi vi Ri minus delta of half mi vi square. As we derivative it, we get 2 vi, 2 and 2 is cancelled from this 2, we get this. As we know that half mi vi square is equal to kinetic energy, that is equal to T. We put here T. Now this delta को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले आएंगे. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लाने के बाद we get summation I fi delta Ri plus delta T is equal to summation I d by dt mi vi delta Ri. As we know that force is equal to the minus of gradient of potential. Now we put the force value, we get this term. After that, by rearranging the term, we get delta T minus delta Vi. As minus of gradient Vi is equal to minus delta Vi by delta Ri. Therefore this minus gradient of Vi delta Ri is equal to delta Vi. Now we taken this delta outside common, and this become is equal to summation I d by dt mi vi delta Ri. Now we integrate this equation with respect to time t1 to t2 as our holonomic system moves from p to q between t1 and t2. After integrating, we get this delta integrating t1 t2 t minus v into dt is equal to integrating t1 into t2 d by dt mi vi delta Ri into dt. As we know that difference between the kinetic energy and potential energy is equal to the Lagrangian L. L is equal to T minus V. Therefore we put here T minus V to L. Here we integrate this term. Integration cancel with the derivative. We get mi vi delta Ri t1 to t2. लेट किया था कि हैमिल्टेनियन डिड्यूस करने के लिए हमारे पास डेल्टा आर मस्ट बी 0. Therefore this term vanish or become 0. When we put this term 0 in last expression, we get this, and which is Hamilton's principle. Thank you guys. Hope आप सबको ये समझ आया होगा. Bye bye.